Welcome back. Kevina here with another pandemic trip idea. This time it involves the mountains. Let's get to it.
The reason I get fly is I've been Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love. Wake up and
Sticking to the theme of traveling while social distancing, renting a cabin in the mountains is another perfect idea. I originally had a girls trip to New Mexico next month that, due to quarantine guidelines statewide, made it no longer an ideal trip. So I said to everyone, let's get together and rent a cabin and plan to do things inside together. That landed us in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, where I had never been, even though going to college in Tennessee. Gatlinburg is a mountain town at the foot of the Smoky Mountains. I don't know about you, but anytime I think of mountains, I think isolation. We'll be staying in an Airbnb that has a hot tub, wraparound covered deck, and an outdoor kitchen. We're buying groceries to cook for the weekend and have an itinerary planned that doesn't require leaving the house. We have a masseuse coming to give massages, daily yoga and meditation, a paint and sip, happy hour, game night, and a wine tasting. We plan to dress up fancy and exchange our Secret Santa gifts. Part of the group is driving up. They'll be self-contained. The rest of the group is flying in. So as long as we keep our face mask on, we wash our hands, don't touch our faces, and avoid clusters in the airport, we should be okay to get together. That is, of course, pending folks are already in good health. If you're nervous about your friends self-policing themselves, another option is everyone could get tested, right? As I mentioned, this is a trip we're taking during the pandemic, and we have it planned to where we're spending time with each other, but minimizing our exposure to the outside world. So you too can plan a trip and take a trip during the pandemic and stay safe, whether you're solo or you're traveling with a few friends. Hope this was inspirational in deciding on a trip to take during the pandemic. Check back next Saturday for another trip idea. For more content on tips, tricks, reviews, and hacks, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Also, follow us on your social media platform of choice for culture, experiences, and more. And you may even get some insight into this cabin that we're staying in next week. Thanks, everyone.